जय श्री राम। आज अयोध्या का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा है, तो हम जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। कैटलिस्ट पॉजिटिव और द कैटलिस्ट पॉजिटिव ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर कैट्स स्पेस्ड being made. Species Staphylococcus aureus, Serratio, red, Pseudomonas, Aspergillus, Candida, Cryptococcus, E. coli, E. coli, Enterobacteriaceae, being Bacillus anthracis, made Neisseria, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. We cannot forget Mycobacterium tuberculosis while discussing any organisms in our country. For food poisoning, if incubation period is taken into account, both the Bacillus cereus and Staphylococcus aureus enterotoxin has incubation period of less than 6 hours. But for Bacillus cereus, it is of mainly Chinese fried rice. But for N cereus, Staphylococcus aureus enterotoxin, it is a product of milk or meat or something like pastry or mayonnaise, like that. Another is for the Bacillus cereus, agar is you can remember by the story of Bacillus cereus. A serious politician suddenly talks about something awkward like MEPA. So this is the selective medium. For Staphylococcus aureus enterotoxin, all the enterotoxins causes food poisoning except type F, which is a superindigen. So it is caused toxic shock syndrome, which is seen in females which use tampon and do not remove it for more than 24 hours. Because of this, they got toxic shock syndrome. It is a very fatal condition. So, and the selective media for Staphylococcus aureus is mannitol salt agar, which produces yellow on fermentation of mannitol. All capsulated organisms has capsule made of polysaccharide, but except Bacillus anthracis, whose capsule is made of polypeptide. If all the capsules are antigen positive, so it causes the antigen antibody production. All the capsule gives quelling reactions, which is swelling of capsule, quelling rhyming with swelling. Another is Streptococcus viridae. Features Streptococcus viridae, Streptococcus pneumoniae soluble. So features is biosolubility. Streptococcus pneumoniae are like it's like an ideal student of our any faculty. So it is biosoluble. Insulin ferment seen, and optokin sensitivity is seen. So if we are a favorite of our teacher, so we cannot fear about the test results or any failure, because they help they help the laborious students. So in this we see, so we can lens shape it, laser laziness, so lens shape it, and colony Drotsam carom coin colony or Broadsam colonies are seen. कैरम खेल ले सकते हैं और कैरम कॉलोनी. Streptococcus viridae is a opposite of Streptococcus pneumoniae, so it is insoluble in bile, not seen in insulin fermentation and inulin fermentation, and resistant to optogen. This is of all about alpha hemolytic alpha categories. Now second beta hemolytic is Lancefield classification. It based on C antigen, in which we have GABS and GBBS. Group A beta hemolytic Streptococcus pyogenes, which Streptococcus pyogenes is. Group B beta hemolytic Streptococcus, in which Streptococcus agalactiaceae is come. For group A, group A beta hemolytic Streptococcus pyogenes. Pyo is all word is remaining pyo. So transformation of Pikes media green gram machine, in which chains. On gram staining we can see chains of pink or chains of pipe like. And blood agar we can see pinpoint colony wide or wide zone hemolysis. On selective agar and blood agar we see pinpoint colony. Selective agar we see crystal violet blood agar. Biochemical, it is bacitracin sensitive and PYR positive. Now for group B beta hemolytic Streptococcus, in which Streptococcus agalactiaceae is coming. It causes meningitis, pneumonia. For meningitis we take CSF, and for pneumonia we take sputum, and this is our sample. And it shows camp. After the exam we go to camp or campfire on Goa or something, and we have a gala time. So gala egg electricity shows in gala times camp positive, and in which blood agar there is a streak of Staphylococcus in which we made this streak, and the sample of arrowhead sample of this of egg electricity is lying horizontally. If a heroid appearance is seen, it is a camp test positive. And gala camp करेंगे and hippuratic hydrolysis is seen. Another is here. This is all about beta enterococcus, and now gamma enterococcus. It is spectacle shaped. Spectacle shaped, so we can make a spectacle like this. Though this shows B. So it is bile esculin azide agar. It is bile esculin azide agar 40%, black in color, BB. And now comes the Neisseria, in which Neisseria causes Neisseria. Its pathology is all same: transport media, culture, and treatment. Transport media is amine and steroid for both gonorrhea and meningitis. Culture is modified Thayer-Martin medium, and treatment is ceftriaxone. So clinically we cannot very much about the treatment of causative organism of gonorrhea or meningitis. We only take on Neisseria. Shape is gonorrhea, say we can resemble this shape of kidney. So gonorrhea kidney, and for meningitis it is M, and so lens shaped, it is lens shaped. Both are capsule. Meningitis is of capsule and show curling strange, but is only reserved for or Streptococcus pneumonia. And now for meningitis, it contains both M and G, so it ferments maltose and glucose both, but gonorrhea ferment glucose only, so it is a differentiating feature. Cyanobacterium, Corynebacterium, diphtheria, Chinese letter cuneiform appearance दिखती है, can be seen. Granules are, and this whole table is important. Granules are babies, bipolar and metachromatic. Composition of these granules are metachromatic. It is of energy unit of the bacteria. Sensitive stains. Stains are stains used for staining a Pond's stain. Lofrer's methylene blue were most commonly used, and Albert stain and Neisseria, PLAN, plan. So Leffler's methylene blue. Albert contains TIM, toluidine blue, iodine, and malachite green. And Neisser stain. Enriched media. It contains 8 letters in this low, so it Lofler's 8 letters and Lofler's serum slope, and gives result in 8 hours. It is most commonly used, but selective media, which is very specific, it contains potassium tablet agar. It is positive, comes positive in 48 hours. So another question is of box shaped. Boxcar shape or bamboo stick shape is seen in Bacillus anthracis, and comma shaped is Vibrio cholerae. Comma shaped Vibrio cholerae we all know. Another is enriched media. So types for test for selective media is highly specific. Test for toxigenicity is Alex gel precipitation test, in which we do a agar plate, in which we filter paper strip with diphtheria toxin, in which we place strips for positive organism which are diphtheria toxin sensitive, and which are diphtheria positive resistant. So we test it is positive or negative. It is a positive control, it is a negative control, and it is of a test strip. Test for susceptibility is Schick's test, in which it is a type so to know whether we are person is susceptible for getting disease in future. If positive, it is susceptible. If negative, Schick's test is immune, so it is immune. So spin is susceptible for pin, positive, and immune for negative restriction. Now comes for spores. If spore is central, it is comes under Clostridium bifermentous only. For subterminal shows not at the ending, so it is seen in only in Clostridium perfringens. Hence, the terminal spores are seen in two: Clostridium tetani and Clostridium tertium. Tetani is drumstick appearance, and tertini is tennis racket appearance. Clostridium perfringens, we all know Clostridium perfringens cause gas gangrene or necrotizing enteritis, which is gives a symptom of food poisoning also. We can learn about this is senior NTR. Stormy, cloudy, शो में क्लाउडी, नेगलर्स रिएक्शन ओपेक नहीं दिखेगी उस रिएजेंट रिएक्शन में, और वो जो ब्रोथ एगर बनाया जाता है वो एग योग का बनाया जाता है। टारगेट हेमोलाइज सीन on blood agar, and reverse chem test is seen. Both chems and reverse chem test, we did the organisms lie in the longitudinally horizontally गैलेक्टेसी गैला टाइम में हम लाई करते हैं, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाई करते हैं, स्लीप करते हैं, तो इसलिए शिफ्ट गैलेक्टेसी. So if Clostridium perfringens, midline is of Clostridium perfringens, it is a chem test. It is a Clostridium perfringens. It is a reverse chem test, and if it is a Staphylococcus aureus disease, is a chem test. And other last one is Robertson cooked meat broth, which is used to grow of Clostridium perfringens because it is an anaerobic bacteria. It is an anaerobic broth. Another one is Bacillus anthracis, boxcar appearance. We have a history of animals. Hide porters which carry animal skins, and so hide skin on pokers. So cutaneous shard can be seen. Another is if animal is seen, wool spotters are seen in lungs, and intestinal anthracis, uncooked meat because of eating uncooked meat. Another is barrel shaped erythrospores, accidentally coccidioidomycosis in fungus. Okay, or if barrel shaped or anthrospores fungus is seen, coccidioidomycosis in fungus, or bacteria is so bacteria is of Bacillus anthracis. Intestinal anthracis, on the nutrient agar we see medusa head appearance. On penicillin agar we see string of pulse or gelatin step, inverted fern tree is seen. If gelatin is shape and inverted fern tree, so it is of Bacillus anthracis. If fir tree is seen, so Clestian tetani tree, so tetani tree rhymes with tetani. Now comes with Clostridium tetani. Clostridium tetani causes spasm, muscle spasm, which causes opisthotonus and rhizus sartonicus, which is not commonly seen. Drumstick appearance because of terminal spores, and inhibit action of GABA and glycine. GABA-glycine causes relaxation of our muscles. How there it contains two toxins. Tetanus causes GABA and glycine decrease, because of which muscle spasm is happening. Tetanolysin is oxygen labile, OL, oxygen labile, or tetanospasmin is oxygen stable. Now comes the Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum is bottle canned food. Is seen in bottle canned food, or it decreases acetylcholine, which causes floppy baby syndrome because of muscle relaxation. It is of so the custom of licking honey to the children is prohibited, because if the honey is contaminated with Bacillus botulinum, because if the honey is in canned food and it contains Clostridium botulinum, it causes muscle relaxation and floppy baby. Now comes the Raynaud's classification. It is a very scary Raynaud classification of Mycobacterium, atypical Mycobacterium. If a rapid grower is any which grows in within 1 week, if a rapid grower is someone who is very very smart, very fortunated, and very chalak and very free. It is Mycobacterium fortunatum, Smagomatis, Shaloni, and Mycobacterium flan. Now first come is photochromogen, which produce chromatin, which is pigment only on light exposure, in which Mycobacterium marinum, aceticum, and Cimberiani and Kansasi. We can remember it by Cimbran mask, Marinum, aceticum, Sesame, or Kansai. Scotochromogen, which produce color in dark and light as well. So we can SSG, Sulgani, Scrofulescens, or Gordonal, and rest all of Mycobacterium comes under non-photochromagen, which produce no pigment. Now all cocci bacteria are gram positive except V-no-M, Veillonella, Neisseria, and Moraxella. All bacilli are gram negative except McDonald's. So MTB, any time Mycobacterium tuberculosis has to come. Anthracis, Clostridium, all types of Clostridium, diphtheria, and ON is nocardia. And nocardia, diphtheria comes in here, and diphtheria comes in here. A for actinomycosis, and L for listeria. Swarming motility is seen by PCS, Proteus, Vibrio, Parahemolyticus, C. Clostridium tetani, and C. Serratia. If gram positive is seen, so Clostridium has to be taken into account. If gram negative is seen, so Proteus can be given, or Vibrio. Now Salmonella and Shigella, it is they are very close in the all the biological and the all the investigations. So it is called Salmonella Shigella sisters. Salmonella causes typhoid, which causes T soup diarrhea, and P soup diarrhea, and Shigella causes bloody diarrhea or dysentery. In enrichment media, enrichment media, which cause enrichment and enriched media. Enriched media is a solid, and enrichment media is a liquid or broth. Broth means it contains on any non-vegetarian thing or meat like. So in all the enrichment media or selective media, they show both similar properties like selenite F broth or tetrahydrothionate B broth. In selective media, the XLD or DCA, those show both same characteristics. So we cannot differentiate, but so we have to differentiate. So we do a Wilson Blair medium. We can remember it like Wilson named boy comes to dispute between the two sisters, and Wilson take it as challenge, and receive a trophy or trophy of Salmonella typhi. So only for Salmonella typhi, and because he causes divide and rule of policy, it causes jet black colonies. So this way we can remember. Next is hemolytic uremic syndrome. This is hemolytic Enterococcus hemolytic E. coli, in which O157H7 strain is given. Hemolytic uremic syndrome contains renal, anemic syndrome, and thrombocytopenia. Now all about the E. coli strains. E. coli strains enteropathogenic, causes pediatric infants and diarrhea. टॉक्सिजेनिक इज ट्रेवलर्स डायरिया. इन्वेजन करेगा तो डिसेंट्री करेगा, ब्लड डायरिया करेगा. हीमोरेजिक है, हीमोरेजिक में तो हीमोरेजिक यूरेमिक सिंड्रोम. एग्रीगेट सो वी सी दीस माइक्रोबायोलॉजी वीडियोस ऑफ not as any soul like a library, or because if we see in alone, we can definitely fall asleep because of its boringness or any so we can have to aggregate our friends and see it in 2 to 3 groups. If aggregated, so it causes stacked brick appearance, and aggregation causes persistence, so we can view whole video. So it's persistent diarrhea causes. Now next topic is Vibrio cholerae. It causes rice water diarrhea because of increased cyclic AMP. It is string is positive. Shaped is comma shaped, darting motility or shooting star motility. TCBS agar sucrose positive fermentation. Other Vibrio not ferment sucrose, only Vibrio cholerae ferment. Mechanism action of increased CAMP. CAMP is to cause water diarrhea. Includes cholera. C is cholera. A is anthrax. M to P for Proteus, and M to tilt slightly and cause E. coli. E. coli causes both CAMP and CGMP. So for CGMP, we takes into account E. coli is stable. If it's stable, anybody is stable is in thought, so it is in grounded. So CGMP for stable team, and stable, and for E. coli labile toxin is for CAMP. Another causes increased CGMP is Bacillus cereus vomiting. So vomiting comes out from gala, so it causes CGMP. Now comes the genital ulcer. Genital ulcer, if painful comes with Haemophilus duceri or HSV2. If painless, then syphilis. If syphilis less, it is less, so it is genital ulcer is painless, and lymph node are also painless. We can use dark field microscopy. For lymphogranuloma venereum, it is if genital ulcer is painless but lymph node is painful, it is caused by chlamydia trachomatis. Last one for painless genital ulcer is Klebsiella granulomatosis. It is characteristic beefy red color, single shaped ulcer. Now, next is any HPV virus. HPV virus L1 L1 antigen is for vaccine production. E4 and 5 is for coilocytes, rhizoid nucleus with perihalo nucleus, perinuclear halo causes coilocyte. E6 and E7 causes carcinogenesis. E6 blocks the depressive function of P53, and E7 depressive function of RBG. For any low risk HPV, it is low 6 and 11 HPV strain, and for high risk it is caused by 16 and 18. MCV, Multiform Contagious Virus, it is a pox virus with Henderson-Patterson body. Phylloxin tartrate strain is used. Infectious mononucleosis it is a kissing disease. Causes granular fever. Granular fever means glands are inflamed, lymph node present, tonsils present, and spleen is present, and fever. It is a DNA virus, IgM heterophile antibodies, and causes by Epstein-Barr virus, which is the only DNA virus, mostly DNA virus, or Epstein-Barr virus, which so it goes into B cells through CD21 and CRG receptors. On microscopy, we can see Bavarian skirt appearance, downy cells, and heterophile antibody test is done, Paul Benner test, and monospore test. Next topic is measles, mumps, and rubella. Measles also called rubiola. Now incubation period of measles is 10. Mumps is 19, and rubiola is 14. We can learn by 10, 19, and 14. So, in which it is a cataract stage. We have on 10th day it is having a cataract stage, fever, 3 C's, cough, coryza, and conjunctivitis. On the 2 days after, complex spot is seen on 12th day, and 2 days after that, 14th day, rashes appear behind the ear and spread all over the body. Morton Wankelson giant cell is seen. Vaccine is Edmonston Zagreb strain. Now comes mumps, bilateral parotitis. If in children we suspect mumps, and if adults and smoker is history, we suspect Warthin tumor. In this strain of vaccine is Geryl Lennon strain. For rubella, it is a congenital rubella syndrome, in which it is a patent ductus arteriosus, SNHL, and cataract. And strain is RA227/30. For HIV patients, to confirm the diagnosis, we most commonly do HIV P24 antigen testing. But if in options, HIV RNA plasma is also given, so it rises in the levels of serum levels quickly. So if it is given, so we have to mark this. But most commonly HIV P24 is given, so we mark this. And next is HIV antibody, which is rise up at last. For transmission of needle stick injuries, we can run this by blood stick injuries, HBC, SCV, and HIV. Most commonly transmitted infection is 30% HPV, then SCV, and last HIV. Rotavirus. It is a most common cause of intussusception after the when rotavirus vaccines is given to the children. Rotavirus is transmitted through fecal transmission. Most common cause of diarrhea, oral droplets. Vaccines are vaccine are given. Reoviridae family is a type of Reoviridae family. Intussusception, if side effect of rotavirus vaccine, and another is in Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, polyp, we see intussusception. Now, for all the DNA virus, all DNA viruses are double-stranded DNA, but only DNA virus which is single-stranded is parvovirus. Parvo means paro, Devdas ki paro. End mein all characters of the Devdas movie remain single, so it remains single, but it also remains smallest virus of all. And paro, slab chick appearance. Slab chick appearance is also seen on parvo virus, slab chick appearance, and it is also causes fifth finger disease. 5 fingers we select from 5 single fingers, so it is a fifth day disease of newborn. Next is RNA virus. RNA virus is all have RNA virus all have one copy, all have unsegmented DNA and single stranded, except 2 copies contains by retrovirus. retrovirus. Double-stranded RNA is rotavirus. Segmented is in three: Bunia, influenza, rota, and arena. Bunia contains 3, influenza contains 8, and IWGA contains rotavirus 11 segments, and arena contains 2 segments. Now comes the last part of the Ebola transmission. Ebola is for Zara Ebola and Restaurant Ebola. Zara is most dangerous, so we can have antibody against it, antibodies against it in Maziveb, and it is a history of bats and chimpanzees. It is circularly, mostly in forest. But if a man is an accidental host, another is box virus, box shaped, dumbbell shaped DNA, and another is adenovirus, which is an alien shaped space. Astro means shawl shaped, corona is petal shaped, peptomers, and rotavirus is wheel shaped, and Ebola is filamentous or bowl of spaghetti type. Root bed is seen in Nipah virus. It is last part of